Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. I just wanted to let you know I will be having a live this Thursday, April the 11th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And my topic will be 1 year on YouTube. See you there. Enjoy this video. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How y'all doing today? Today is the bag of the month for Dooney, and today is April the 7th on Sunday. This came in yesterday, Saturday, while I was out all day with the grandkids at baseball games. There was what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games this weekend, so I am pooped, but I'm forcing myself, I'm pushing myself to open this up, and hopefully I can get this out by Monday. I wanted to show y'all this. Isn't this a cute little envelope? I got this thank you card from Tara from Tara's Boutique. We did a collab with her in March, and she sent us all flowers. She asked what our favorite flowers were, and that way she could try to correspond our little gifts with it. And so it's forever flowers. So it is called fresh cut paper is what it's called. And isn't that cute? It just closes right up, and you can pack it away. Closes flat, or you can push it from the bottom, and it becomes a bouquet. And that's so cute. I really like it. Thank you so much, Tara. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's really beautiful. So these are definitely flowers. Spot, you are being a pain tonight. I have got to work. Tell everybody hello. Hello. This is Spot. Say hi. Hi, Bean Beauties. It's late. We've been gone all weekend, so she does want some loving. She wants some mommy loving, but I gotta get to work. Okay, you gotta get down. She'll probably jump back up in a minute. Okay, let's open this up. Dooney had a Florentine leather offer this month, and for Florentine leather, the price was excellent. For a bag of the month, not so much, but for the Florentine, it is excellent. And here it is, and it's a numbered piece. I got number 325 out of 370. So I got lucky. And this is a different color. I do have one other piece in this color, but it's definitely a different color for me. Here's a little booklet that they included this time. And of course, Dooney, no stickers. I'm not even messing with it this month. I'm not messing with complaining. I'm just not dealing with it this morning. Blah. All right. So this is the color natural, and it's a drawstring Florentine leather. So generally, and I say generally because they could, who knows, they could change at any time. But when you see this type of logo, it's because that's what they used for the Florentine leather emblem. And this is really cute. Y'all know I just love a drawstring bucket bag. Faves. So here it is. Here is the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. Here is the top. And we're back to the front. So this right here, it has a little bit of pimpling right back here. The rest is kind of smooth. And let's see, any more pebbling? Well, like maybe right around here it has some pebbling. It looks like some pebbling. Otherwise, it's smooth. But this is a cutie little bag. I love it. It does have drawstring. Here it is. Here's a drawstring, but it does have a strap Oh, they attached it to this today. Cool. Okay, let's try to get this off. There we go, because I'm definitely going to need that. It has the matching color on the little leather here with the fob. I wish they would, Dooney would change the colors out, coordinate that with whatever the metal is over here. And of course, Dooney always packages them very well. They protect the packaging. This is what it looks like inside, just nice open canvas. It's the white interior. It has the typical Dooney setup, which is the back zipper pocket in the back. Let's see, is the lining stuck to it? Okay, this lining doesn't come, it's not, oh wait, let me see. Yes, okay. This is usually easier if I can do this. This is also easier when you go to clean it, if you have to clean the inside. So it has the typical Dooney setup, which is a zipper pocket here, and in here is the registration form and the number. And then here is the slip pocket here, the slip pocket there. And that is the back of the bag, and in the front of the bag it has the case here. Let me see if my phone, I have my phone, extra phone case here, which is a 14 Pro Max phone is what I use. So it fits in the front slip pocket, not horizontal this way, but up and down. And when it's up and down, let me show y'all how it looks. See, so there's still plenty of room to cinch it up and the phone not be in the way at all, see? But then it's easy to get into it and be able to take your phone out if it need be. The strap, here's the strap. Ooh, it's wrapped up very well. And
oops. Okay, I probably will cut this out to try to make the video just easier to edit, because I cut it out or I'll fast forward it, because I'll try to get this video out tomorrow, and we definitely want to make as less editing for myself as possible. Okay, make easy editing. You see my flowers? Maybe cover all this mess here.
Okay, here is the hook here, and it has the brass dog leash here. See? And there, it is on the swivel right there, which I really appreciate, Dooney, that it has the swivel on there, because it makes it so much easier when you're trying to put things on. This has the part where you can take out the center and you can make it a short shoulder carry. And it usually, the way it comes is, yeah, it's usually set up perfect for my length. And Tammy, I am 5'4.5", and I am a big frame person, and I weigh 260, no longer 312, so I'm happy about that. But I thought you might want to know, Cammy, my height, and that I'm a little bit broader person. I do have little, I'm not very well endowed, but I am a bigger frame person. But I just thought you might like to know. Okay, so here it comes to me here on the side. So here's my hip here on the side. So that's a little bit lower. People like to keep it there. It's probably usually where I like to keep it, but actually this feels very comfortable here on this side. Very comfortable, and I love this size. For me, this size is actually very perfect size for me. I will try to put the picture with the measurements down here for you, or up here in the corner for you, so y'all can see it. But this is just beautiful. I hope that you got one if you really wanted one. The price was let me see. Okay, with the code April, this bag was normally $428 at full price value. And it's the Florentine leather, so it's definitely worth it. And you get it for $159 is what I was able to get it for with the code April. Drawstring crossbody, that's what this is called. Florentine Drawstring crossbody. So the original value is $428. Currently it's on sale between $215 to $309, depending on which color you choose. If you put the code in April, all in capital letters April, you can get it for $159. And it looks like all of the colors are available. You have black, brown tomorrow, Bordeaux, chestnut, ecru, natural, navy, and red. And this is natural. So I decided to go for natural because it's a gap in my collection, this color. Now, one of the special things about this, if it does get scratched on here, which, because it's a more of a delicate leather, if it gets scratched, if you rub it out, it comes out. If you get a soft cloth and kind of rub it, and then it'll go away with the oils once it picks up the oils from your hands. Or it says here it says a soft cloth will help give it a buffing action, and it'll help take out the minor scratches, or makes them less visible, if it doesn't come completely out. So the Dooney bag of the month is still available. It is still available in all the colors, and you got to use the code April. Okay, Bean Beauties, I hope you liked it. I just wanted to show y'all real quick, and I will probably try to add this to the section of do a what fits to do a what fits in this one, because I would like to compare this to my bigger drawstring bags. Okay, Bean Beauties, so if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to get to it. And I hope that for those of you who are interested in it, paying $159 for this size of a bag, it is the smaller drawstring bag that Dooney has, but it is very well worth it. So if you wanted to try out a Florentine leather and you just haven't had to because the prices are a little bit scary, this is a great value to do it with. I was so tempted to get a second bag, but I restrained myself because they were having it sell on another one. So I did get a second bag that same day, but a different one. Video to come soon. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all so much. Bye bye.